Hello, and in this mini course, we will be comparing computers with the human brain to make it easy to follow and understand. If you have been thinking of upgrading your computer or you would like to know more about how they work, this video is for you. By the end of this course, divided in 4 parts or sections, you will have a good idea on how to select a computer that will fit your needs using the example in this screen as a baseline. Before picking your ideal computer, we first need to go back to basics and understand some common terminology. This lesson covers the analogy between computers' core components and the human brain, facilitating an easier understanding of how processors, RAMs, and solid-state drives, or SSD, work together. For starters, we will be using the term CPU, which is the central processing unit, also called the processor, followed by RAM that refers to random access memory and SSD or solid-state drive. In our next module, we will be talking about the processors or CPU.